When I first started cold therapy, we went out and bought our own portable ice bath, which we still got the benefits from. However, it cost us a lot of money filling it up in ice and the inconvenience of having to go and buy the ice each week. It cost us a lot of money in water and the wastage of water, having to clean it regularly. Having an installed Strike Recovery ice bath is so much easier. It's a lot easier to clean, and I only have to clean it once every 2 weeks. I'm not wasting water, and plus it looks so much better.